Hey everybody, I'm back with another installment of our video series on how to get the most out of the SAP community. I hope you're enjoying this video series, but if there's something else that you want to know about, please feel free to ask. Just comment on this video, or you can also comment on the great blog post that my colleague Sofia Becker wrote about the entire video series. And speaking of Sofia, she and I were talking, there's something that she can actually show better than me, so I had her record a video to walk through it because I'm not an moderator of the SAP community, so I don't have the full rights that she and her colleagues have. So what we wanted to talk about today is the background on answers and how to accept them and why accepting answers is important. An accepted solution is a way for you to choose a reply. The best answer is a question that you posted. Imagine a scenario where you post a question and community members come in and they give several answers to it, but you can choose the one that you believe is the most helpful, accurate, and mark it as a solution. When you accept a solution, both the question and the solution get special icons and links that take you directly from the question to the answer. And that helps other people with the same question easily see that there's already a correct and accepted solution for the problem that they're searching on. Also, the blue tick icon for an accepted solution appears on boards and in search results, and you can see which messages already have solutions. Please note that you can only mark a solution as accepted for questions that you posted, not from others. Our SAP community group moderators instead can also mark one of these replies to a message as an accepted solution. Let me play the video from Sofia and show you how that works. So if you'll look here, she's going to go through and she's going to get to the answer that she wants to accept in the actual accepted solutions on this blog post here. So when she scrolls down, you see the accepted solutions and there's an answer. She can go into her menu and accept as a solution. I do not have that, and most people in the SAP community do not have that option. Now, she's got that, and she also has another button that pops up later that says not a solution, so she can reverse it. So you can see from that how important it is to mark an answer as the best solution so that other community members with the same question will benefit from it. Check your questions now, see if there's already an answer, and if so, please accept the best solution. Stay tuned, and the next video will be coming out soon.